I'll be walking the dog and thinking about something I want to do, and I'll have a conversation with it, and then I'll come home and there will be the result for me on my screen.
I did the same thing. I was in the car the other day, and my partner and I traveling to Portugal, and we asked it to give us a road trip from Lisbon up to Porto. And it was fantastic. We had a conversation, it asked us questions, and it was really quite cool. And at the end, we had a roadmap ready to go with a 3-day trip. So where can you see the application of voice in learning and development, and what is it going to replace?
Yeah, I think there's a number of things. So one is that coaching, call center coaching. To be able to have a conversation with a customer that is completely simulated and is different every time you have it. The AI can help both with creating those conversations, so creating the stories, then having those conversations, and then assessing those conversations afterwards. So you can, and providing feedback. So you can have a conversation with the coach. I mean, try it now. Just go into ChatGPT and say, I want you to coach me to have this conversation. I'm working in a hardware store and I hate talking to customers. And this customer has asked me a question, help me to learn that.
To deal with that.
And then ask it to give you feedback afterwards, and you'll be amazed. So then you start to define the scope of what you want to do. That becomes really interesting. So that's one obvious use case. The other is, think of assessment. Like, what do we do? Ask people to do a multi-choice quiz or whatever, and we hope that demonstrates that people have taken something in. Or we create long scenarios and ask them and assess them against those scenarios. Imagine if you put that into AI. I have one that I use for coaching around PR crisis management. And so it creates a scenario within some guide rails I've given it, and then it has got rules about how you do effective crisis PR management. It's not telling me what those rules are. It's asking me questions, uncovers whether I understand how to do crisis PR management. I think we're going to see a lot more of that.